Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. While Python is known for its simplicity and readability, there is indeed a formal specification for the Python language. The Python language reference serves as the authoritative source for the language's syntax and semantics. In this tutorial, we'll explore the existence of the Python language specification and provide a simple code example to illustrate its concepts. The Python language reference is a document that describes the syntax and semantics of the Python programming language. It is maintained by the Python Software Foundation and is considered the official specification for Python. The reference is designed to be precise and comprehensive, making it a valuable resource for understanding the intricacies of the language. You can access the official Python language reference online at Python documentation. This documentation provides detailed information about Python's syntax, built-in functions, standard library modules, and more. Let's explore a simple code example to demonstrate some Python language concepts. We'll focus on variables, control structures, and functions. This example covers basic Python concepts such as variable assignment, data types, string, integer, float, boolean, control structures, if-else statement, and function definition. These concepts are part of the Python language reference and are crucial for understanding how Python code is structured. To deepen your understanding of Python, it's highly recommended to explore the Python language reference. Refer to the official documentation for details on topics such as. By referring to the Python language reference, you gain a deeper insight into the language's design principles and how various language constructs work together. Remember, the Python language reference is a living document that evolves with each Python release, so it's crucial to consult the version corresponding to the Python interpreter you are using. ChatGPT.